This is the seller's MAYFAIR Tear and Dry Roll Towel Dispenser. The dispenser consistently dispenses 10-inch paper portions without weight, making it an ideal choice for high-traffic environments. The system's efficiency creates longer battery life. It uses 4 D-cell alkaline batteries. The dispenser is made from durable, impact-resistant plastic. It's compatible with our MAYFAIR hard-wound roll towels, as well as most standard hard-wound roll towels. It's fast and easy to set up. First, open the cover and look at the diagram to familiarize yourself with the steps, paying close attention to the direction of the roll. Load your roll into the top spindle of the drive module. Lift the retainer as shown, thread the paper, lower the retainer, and close the cover. When the cover closes, a sheet should automatically advance. The system automatically transfers from one roll to the next, virtually eliminating stub roll waste. To transfer the stub roll, simply lower it to the bottom spindle, while leaving it still fed into the automatic feed. Now load the new roll onto the top spindle. Lift the retainer and feed the new roll over the top of the stub roll as shown. When the cover is closed, both rolls will be automatically advanced together. The dispenser also has a replaceable drive module. To remove the drive module, first turn the retaining tab at the center back of the dispenser. Next, pop the module outward on both sides as shown. Then, simply rotate the module upward and out to remove. Replacing the module is a simple reversal of the steps. Installation is simple and keys are included.